What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. And we have another progress, growth, build a better you tip. All right, so if you want to build a better you and grow exponentially and really get ahead of everybody in this world, honestly, a lot of people in this world, the majority in this world, is read, okay? Read as much as you can. If you can read daily, that's great. If you can read weekly, that is great. If you can read monthly, that's great. But read as much as you can. And I'm not talking about reading, BS books and, imagination and things like that and things that's going to take your mind into a different place and things of that nature. No, I'm talking about building a better you, meaning like self-help books, things that's going to teach you something, things that's going to help you progress in life. Read about things that's going to make you a better person, either financially, spiritually, family-wise, personally, physically. Those types of books, okay? Those are the ones that's going to help you build a better you, okay? I'm going to put a list of these books below. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can check it out. If you're watching this on TikTok, I won't have the list. You'll have to go to my YouTube to get the list. But I'm going to post this video on both sites, TikTok and YouTube. And you're going to be able to check it out. If you're watching it on YouTube, there's going to be a list of books you can go ahead and purchase today, okay? You can even have them put directly to your Kindle. And yeah, they're audiobooks, and audiobooks are good. Yes, they're informational, but you know how you keep your mind sharp, how you be able to think quickly and think progressively and think things out on the spot is by reading them. Reading them is the best way, to actually take the information in and hold it in. Reading will definitely keep you on top of your A game, better than any audiobook, better than any seminar, okay? Get the book and read it, okay? And even if you gotta read 2 pages a day, 3 pages a day, maybe a chapter a day if you have time. Okay, I'm a busy guy myself, and I try to read at least 2 or 3 times a week, okay? So read. Until next time, wealth builders. Peace.